Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling the rear door panel on a 2000 Nissan Pathfinder. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, we'll take this little cover out. I'm going to use a small straight screwdriver, pry under here, pull that cover off, and then over here, there's the cover right here. Use the same screwdriver and pry this little cover off. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver. Take this Phillips head screw out. Take that screw out. We'll take this screw out, the same Phillips head screwdriver. There's another screw under here where the window switch is. So you're going to grab with your fingers, pull up underneath like that. You could also use a trim tool under here. And the screw's right there. Before I take that screw out, I'm going to disconnect the window switch. There's a little button right here. Pop this switch, disconnect that electrical connector. And I'll use my Phillips head screwdriver, take this last screw out. Pull that out. Okay. So we're going to take this trim piece off. I'll use a small screwdriver in here, pry under here, and then up under here, some clips. Hold this on and pull that out. There's some clips right there that hold this on, and there's a clip right there, but that one is broken on this vehicle. So you want to pry this out this way and then slide it. Now I'm going to use some trim tools and get underneath here and pop the clips off. We sell these trim tools at 1aauto.com. So just get underneath here, just pop it. We have to pull some of this trim off. Now I can cut to here. Oh. Ready? And that will slide right off. Some of these push clips stayed in the door when we pulled the door panel off. I'm going to use this push clip removal tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. You're going to slide in the tool all the way in and then pull up just like that. Do it right here. Just squeeze it. And they pull right out. All right, so we're going to put these push clips back in to the door panel. Just push it in and slide it over. Right there. Then we're going to fish our wiring harness through. can slide the top part of the door panel in first. Line the clips up. Once the push pins are lined up, just hit them down. Just like that. Now we'll reinstall this screw here. Snug that down and reinstall the screw right here. We can reinstall the screw right here. And snug it up. Then we're going to install this trim piece. Remember, our clip is broken right here, so you slide this on. Push it on like that. So we'll install this trim piece. We're going to connect the connector for the window switch. Lock it in. And we'll line this up. Push it straight down. This trim piece goes right here. This little slot goes up. Push that on. And then this little one goes in here. This slot goes towards the outside of the vehicle. Just like that. And push it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.